Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. Let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Tuesday. Actually, it's a day before Fed interest rates or interest rates decision. That is gonna be crazy. So I'm not expecting much today. I think the market will just go up and down as a consolidation or ranging moves, right? So you don't really have to get confused. You don't really have to get confused. Actually, it's not a good time to participate in the market. But if you know what you're doing, yes, you can just do that. So on the screen, you can see these packages. On that lifetime subscription is $250 plus NASDAQ EA trading or the robot. So that robot is actually auto trading. So on Friday, by the way, I will have to show you the results of the robot. I just plugged it actually since yesterday, but it's doing wonders, by the way. It's doing very great. So what can we do now? If you want to talk to me, obviously you can see the WhatsApp number there, and also Telegram. Just WhatsApp me if you want to be part of the team. If you want the signals, you can see everything there. So yeah, let's push actually to the market. So but before we do that, you know what we do. We have to go straight to the market. Traders Central sponsors this video or stream. Traders Central provides funding for traders and recently introduced a pop-up shop on their platform that allows you to purchase packs like to skip stage 1 or 2 on your challenge, 50% commission reduction, a deeper drawdown percentage. Sign up now using the link in the description to get up to 30% off on your first plan and enjoy the pop-up shop. Okay, thank you for that. So let's go straight to our very quick analysis. So what do we see here? This is called Bitcoin. For those who don't know, it's crypto. Guess what? This crypto market is actually bleeding. Actually, Bitcoin is seriously bleeding. But I think for us who follow the trends, we saw that that earlier. Actually, we saw that for quite some time now. The market has been pushing lower. As you see, that resistance has been there for some time. It's not like maybe you have to throw that every day. So this resistance can last, like, let's say this started from falling from since last year November. Just imagine that was there actually. Then we just continue maybe to see where we can keep selling and stuff like that. Just imagine if you followed the trend, you were not just going to get confused. Yes, along the way, maybe some 2 or 3 trades they're going to actually go in that loss, but still, majority of the times you were just going to be fine. Do you see that? You're just going to be very, very fine. You're not going to have any issue. You see? So let's go or actually very closer and see what's really happening. When we go closer, you can see that yes, we have a resistance which the market respected, and we also have a support which the market is still respecting. So our job here is just to relax and see if maybe the market will break this support area and push the lower side, or maybe the market will break that and push the upside. Do you see that? I hope you see that. The market might do what? The market might start to push the upside. Maybe crypto will try to recover, or maybe just wait for the market to do what? To show you another sell by breaking this support area. Then you can say, okay, I can jump on that sell. But for now, let's relax and wait. Right? So now we are on German. We are on German 40. We are on German 40. What's really happening? The market is not really active since we're expecting some crazy news actually tomorrow. So, which means we might see some sort of consolidation. We will see some sort of consolidation. Currently, yes, we see that the market is actually doing what? Let me just bring this to the right side. Yeah, you can see that actually the market is doing what? The market is on a very, very a nice selling spree. The market has been respecting this area for some time now, but on the bottom side, we also have an area that we can call a support area, which means every time when the market reaches this area, most of the time it's just bouncing. So we also waiting for that market to reach this area before we see a bounce. So let's go closer and see what's happening, what's really happening. Closer there, let's see. So what we have here, let's just delete that. We have an area that we can call a support area. That is just a counter, guys. It's a counter. It's not like it's crazy strong. So what I'm expecting here is I'm still expecting maybe the market to break this area and come back and respect this area before maybe pushing up, or maybe the market will just try to push the upside maybe before pushing down. Do you see that? That is also possible. That is also possible. So that is actually what I'm expecting. Or maybe the market will push up and break this area before trying to push to the upside again. Then we can say that downtrend is no longer there. We're supposed to do what? We're supposed to buy. But for now, we are still on that downtrend and we're expecting to sell, obviously. So, but where we are now, we can't. Maybe you can say, okay, I can take a hit and run, pushing up, but we know very well that around this area, it's that time for us to do what? To sell, unless if maybe the market will be breaking out of that resistance. Now we are on gold. What's really happening on gold? We can easily see that yes, the market is on a downtrend. Before I zoom in, you will see that yes, actually this thing is on a very nice selling spree. The market has been going down for some time now. So let me just reduce this. It's not supposed to be that colorful. Yeah, something like that. You can easily see that yes, actually the market is actually doing what? Pushing on this downtrend. The market is downtrending. It's cold here. It's cold. Let me post this video. Yeah, it's a bit cold here. So yeah, where we are actually, where we were. Yeah, yes. Actually, gold is still on this nice downtrend, right? But it's very strong. You can see that it's very strong. Actually, where we are now, you can see the market dropped from that area up to this area. Where we are, I think the market might start to consolidate or even push up. I don't think maybe the market will keep going down around this area. Then after, maybe it can continue again with this nice downtrend. Or maybe the market will break this area and push the upside. But beside that was just us discussing, right? What do we see currently? Whatever that I was saying is just discussing. It's us discussing about the market. It's just analyzing. But what do we see? We have to follow. What do we see? Now, if I can say what do we see here, or whatever that you see on the screen is we have a nice resistance, we have a nice support, and you see that the market, it seems like it's going to consolidate. And if it's going to do that, we're going to take that sell if the market is going to break this nice area and start to go lower. Why? Because we're expecting the market to do that maybe before pushing up or maybe before continuing with the sell. You see, so it means we're going to follow what we see. And if maybe the market is going to give us a sell, yes, we're going to take that. We're not going to play games. We're going to take that. And whatever that we're thinking, yes, it's fine to think and talk, but we follow what we see, not what we think, right? Because mostly when you follow what you think, most of the time, you're no longer going to follow the strategy. When you check, when you do the analysis, everything's fine on the charts. But the problem is, you don't follow what you see on the chart. You just think. That's the problem. So what do we see here on US oil? I'm expecting this thing to keep selling also. It seems like dollar is getting weak. I see everything against the dollar is trying to push up. But we know very well that that might change very quick, especially when everyone is expecting the dollar to be stronger as they're going to increase the rates tomorrow. I hope you understand that. So what do we see? Yes, we see that US oil is actually on what? On a very nice downtrend, which tells us that, you know what? If the market is on this downtrend, we have to look for those sell positions, right? We have to look for areas where we're supposed to do what? To sell. And where are those areas? These highest points, The higher low, the lower highs, those are the areas that we're supposed to keep selling. And on top here, that actually it still shows us that the market is still expecting the trend, and the trend is where is a downtrend actually. So which means, yes, we have to look for areas where we can just keep selling. For those who wants to learn, guys, talk to me if you want to learn all these things. So what's really happening here is now the market created something, a resistance here. So yeah, a resistance here. So now I think the market did touch that. I don't think so, because this is 4 hours time frame. I sent this signal in few minutes ago, actually few minutes ago. So what I think is, yes, we did smash this one when the market was going down. I did not see this one going up like seriously aggressive, but it's fine. I'm expecting to do what? To see another sell. I'm not saying the market won't do whatever it wants, but what we know is, yes, the market, I'm expecting the market to keep pushing lower. The best thing is, if you have that sell pending order, just close your chart. Just check that after 2 hours or 3 hours, or now you're just going to panic there, you see. So what's really happening is, since we know that the market is actually going down, we are on a downtrend, I'm expecting the market to do what? To keep pushing lower around this area. I'm expecting the market to keep pushing lower, and around this area, it's our support. It's where you can say, if before the market reaches that area, you can take your profit. I'm expecting a nice sell. So let's push to the next one. I thought maybe this video was going to be very very short. It seems like the market is trying to push the upside, guys. I think this is a fake, some serious fake moves. I don't think the market will keep pushing up, but if it does, that is also fine. So what's really happening here is, you can see that, okay, you can see that, yes, the market was actually on a very nice uptrend, right? And just because around this area there were talks about the interest rates and stuff like that, this moves here was like seriously crazy. I think starting from this area, the moves there were a bit crazy, and we saw that because we made some profit somewhere, but some we actually lost, you see. So what's really happening here is, we see that the market actually created a support area that we even indicated there. But down here, the market just broke out. So let's just try to go closer there and see. The market just broke out of that support, and started to push lower. We thought the market was just consolidating. Guess what? I did not see this actually. Obviously, it happened actually yesterday. So I see that the market pushed up aggressively, and it's like we back on that support area. But around this area, it's a zone where the market actually broke. Around this area, it's a zone that the market broke. As we know, the market won't just push up when they know that tomorrow they're going to increase the rates. This might be a fake move, guys. This might be a fake move. So for those who maybe think about buying, I can say, you know what? Maybe let's wait for the market to break this area. Then we can say maybe the market will be trying to push up. Maybe the market doesn't really care much about whatever that is going to happen in the market. So if maybe the market reaches that area, break this area, we can say, yes, maybe the market is about to push up. Or I'm still thinking that we can still push lower. I still think that the market can still push lower, even if it doesn't really go that crazy, but I think the market can still go lower. So on NASDAQ is also doing the same thing. NASDAQ is also doing the same thing. So what's really happening? On a 4 hours time frame, I think you can see that the market was pushing very nice, actually pushing up very nice. We had some complications around this area, as I told you. We had this, they were talking about speeches about Fed, and you know, when they talk about those things, interest rates, they're gonna go like aggressive just to tackle the inflation. And we also had some CPI around this area. CPI figures were a bit crazy. We saw the market selling, and now we are here. It's Tuesday, day before the interest rates. So what's really happening? It seems like the market is trying to push the upside. It seems like the market is trying to go back on that support area. But we're gonna wait and say, you know what? If the market breaks this area, this support area, you see this area, that zone, we'll say maybe the market wants to push the upside. But what I know is the market might be trying just to consolidate. The market might consolidate until tomorrow, when we're going to get tomorrow, until we get the interest rates. For now, I think the market can just take any direction, and I know it's going to confuse everyone, as everyone is expecting small sales, even if maybe it's not crazy sales, but obviously we might still have that sell, unless if maybe they want to increase the rates the way we think. Do you see that? I hope you see that. So yeah, but I'm expecting, if maybe the market won't keep up with that bullish move, the thing is the market is just going to create some crazy moves. If the market doesn't really want to push, if the market won't break this area, I'll be expecting a very nice sell. You can see we also have a sell pending order there. So which means, yes, I'm expecting actually a sell, as the market is still running below our support. But it seems like it's going back there. So please don't fight the market. We can be wrong, we can be right. As if you know, when you eat, we always eat. So once you get it wrong, just remember that yes, tomorrow might be a very nice day again. So don't just fight the market and say, oh, maybe 1, 2, 3. Nope. Just relax. So thank you very much. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. So for those who wants to join the team, they know what to do. These are the services. If you want to join lifetime, 250, you also get the robot, NASDAQ robot and stuff like that. So thank you very much. This is Kenzo. But if you want the robot alone, it's $150. So thank you very much. Bye.